Alright, so one of the last videos you saw us on, we were working on the exhaust on the General Mayhem. So I made a decision and ordered some and got them in the mail today. So what I ended up going with was off-brand, full-bore, double-chamber mufflers. What they are is they're baffled inside, and so they've just got a series of baffles, no fiberglass packing, no nothing like that. And we are 2 1/4 inch inlet, 2 1/4 inch outlet. As it turns out, my exhaust was 2 1/4, not 2 1/2. And to match what I had, I went with offset inlet and centered outlet. So these should be pretty close to a bolt-on to what I had. Minus they're a little bit shorter than those other mufflers, so I do have some pipes just to extend them out.
Just line up almost perfect for that hanger, right?
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, with that offset and the offset inlet and the centered outlet.
Yeah. So there's the hanger. And then you just put those slits in the muffler so that clamp would actually clamp down.
So the clamp will actually collapse it, and yeah, it'll actually clamp tight. So. And I think the only issue I'm seeing is how close I am to my fuel pump and my fuel line, so I'll probably end up making move the fuel pump or the fuel line over further and make a heat shield, I think.
Yeah.
But that's not a problem. Because there's plenty of clearance with those old, smaller mufflers.
Yeah, I bet.
Those old, smaller mufflers that are way quieter than these ones are going to be.
Yeah, how do you think kind of drowning sound's going to be with these? You think it's going to be still pretty loud at cruising speed? Or you think
they shouldn't be obnoxiously loud.
Yeah.
They should hopefully sound good and have some roar to them, but you shouldn't have to yell at each other like everything else I own.
Yeah. And you said these were basically designed kind of like the Flowmasters, or
so ones? Yeah, the Flowmaster Series 40, I think, or Series 60, I don't remember.
Okay.
But it's a dual chamber design. So it's just got a series of baffles in it. And this is a muffler without fiberglass packing in it. You don't have to break them in, as they word it. Like glass packs will change their sound. Any muffler with any sort of fiberglass packing in it will change its sound over time.
Yeah.
And this one will sound exactly like it will right off the bat. So I got the exhaust finished up last night. It was kind of late, so we ended up just going inside and went to bed. So we got it out today, and so we can get it fired up and see how the new exhaust system sounds.